How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna learn how to like use clothes, not to use clothes, but like clothes words, you know, or vocabulary, like clothes vocabulary in French. So let's go ahead and learn it right now. Not how to use clothes. What the hell? Okay, that's funny. Really funny.
Bonjour à tous, welcome back to Lingoni. My name is Alicia and today I'd like to talk to you about clothes, les vêtements.
Les vêtements, les vêtements.
Vocab lessons, but I'll try to make short sentences and maybe give you some useful verbs that we associate to the lexical field, le champ lexical des vêtements.
Le champ lexical de what?
So let's start.
Complicated.
I'll start with what we put at the bottom first, like le pantalon.
Le pantalon, le pantalon.
Le pantalon sounds very easy, but it's not that easy. Remember that we use it in singular and that it's masculine. Le pantalon. We
Le pantalon.
do not say les pantalons.
Le
Well,
pantalon.
we do, but in that case, you refer to more than one pair of trousers. In English, you say trousers or a pair of trousers.
Trousers, yes. I mean, but that's in the UK, right? I guess.
But in French, le pantalon is
Le pantalon.
singular.
Le pantalon.
Okay, donc le pantalon,
Le pantalon.
just as much as we would say un jean.
Un
And not a
jean.
pair of jeans or jeans.
Un jean. Un jean. Un jean. Great.
Okay.
Un jean.
Une jupe ou la
Un jean.
jupe,
La jupe.
skirt. La jupe peut être
La jupe peut être
longue
longue
ou courte.
ou courte.
Une jupe longue,
Une jupe longue.
une jupe courte,
Une jupe courte.
and la mini-jupe.
La mini-jupe.
Very, very short.
La mini-jupe.
It's also like feminine. La jupe.
La jupe.
Careful with the
The
pronunciation.
skirt. The
Jupe.
skirt.
It's a closed
La
U.
jupe. La jupe.
Un short, again,
Un short.
works as like trousers and jeans. We use it in singular. Clearly, these words are taken straight from the English, like jean and short,
Jean short.
but with a beautiful French pronunciation. Donc, un short,
Un short.
shorts, pair of shorts.
Un short. Okay. All right. That's interesting.
Un jogging,
Un jogging.
un legging.
Un
All
legging.
these words are taken like really
Un legging.
from English language. Jogging is something you wear when you do
Jogging.
sport. When you go
That's
jogging,
funny.
but not only. I mean, un jogging and
Jogging.
un legging. You know what
Legging. Legging.
is.
Legging.
And then when you wear une jupe,
Une jupe. Une jupe.
une mini jupe, even
Une mini jupe.
shorts if you wear shorts in winter, or une robe. Une
Une robe.
robe is a
Une
dress.
robe. Une robe.
You can wear des collants.
Des collants. Des collants.
Collant comes from the verb coller,
Coller.
which means to stick. Because
Stick.
it sticks to your skin. Collant,
Stick.
that's the tights.
Collant. Collant.
Le pantalon,
Le pantalon.
le jean ou un
Le jean.
jean,
Un jean.
la jupe ou
La jupe.
une jupe,
Une jupe.
le short ou
Le short.
un short,
Un short.
la robe,
La robe.
une robe
Une robe.
et un jogging.
Un jogging.
In that case, we say un legging ou des leggings, I'm not too sure. I think we say des leggings.
Des leggings. Un legging. Des
Friendly
leggings.
enough. I don't know why this one like comes in plural. Un leggings, des leggings, both. Both. Et un jogging,
Un jogging. Un jogging.
referring to the sporty outfit. Okay, now top. You can wear un débardeur. Un débardeur is
Un débardeur.
completely
Un
sleeveless.
débardeur.
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 Un
What?
t-shirt.
Un t-shirt.
Again, English word. Un t-shirt.
Un t-shirt.
À manches longues.
À manches
Long
longues.
sleeve t-shirt.
longue.
Ou à manches courtes.
À manches courtes.
Short sleeve. Un débardeur.
Okay.
That's the very summary one. Or the
Débardeur.
one you put underneath. Un t-shirt à manches
Okay. Un t-shirt à manches
longues
longues
ou à manches courtes.
ou la manche courte. So a long sleeve or a short sleeve t-shirt.
Again, English word. More to come. Un sweat.
Un sweat.
Sorry for the pronunciation. Un sweat. We don't
Un sweat.
say un sweat or un sweater or un sweatshirt. We say un sweat
Un
and we refer
sweat.
to sweatshirt. sweater.
Un sweat.
Donc un sweat à capuche,
Un sweat à capuche. Ah, the hoodie.
un sweat à fermeture,
Un sweat à fermeture. Oh, the zip. Zip the
un
sweatshirt.
pull ou un pullover.
Un pullover.
French
Pullover.
pronunciation for
What?
pullover. Un
Pullover.
pull,
Un pull.
pullover,
Un pullover.
un sweat
Un sweat.
à capuche,
Un sweat à capuche.
un gilet.
Un gilet.
Gilet is the one normally
Un gilet.
well, it can be in
Cardigan.
cotton, but it can also be wool, and it's always with buttons. Un gilet. A
Un
vest,
gilet.
I
Un
think,
gilet.
in English. Un gilet.
Un gilet. Un gilet. Un gilet.
Un survêtement, it's the whole thing.
Un survêtement. Un survêtement. Un survêtement.